Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many programmers encounter. The issue at hand involves recursive definitions in Haskell, where values can be defined in a way that leads to infinite loops. This problem can be tricky to spot, but understanding how it occurs is key to writing efficient and functional code. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. In Haskell, recursive definitions allow values to refer to themselves in their own definitions. Take, for example, the code snippet x equals x plus 1. This might seem straightforward at first, but it actually creates an infinite loop when trying to evaluate the value of x. This is because x is defined in terms of itself, leading to an endless cycle of computation. In a similar vein, the solution to this issue can be illustrated using a Python equivalent, def x return x plus 1. Just like in Haskell, the function x is defined in terms of itself, resulting in a recursive call that never terminates. This recursive structure causes the program to get stuck in an infinite loop, preventing it from reaching a valid conclusion. To sum it all up, the problem of infinite loops in recursive definitions can be a challenging one to tackle. By understanding how values can refer to themselves in their own definitions, we can avoid unintentional infinite loops and write more efficient code. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!